Here's how to make a $100 online with ChatGPT. Well, first of all, let's go to this website. As you probably don't know, ChatGPT is an exponential chat robot. Now, if you ask what are the 5 best ways to make money online, the first way is to sell products or service online. The second way is to start a blog or website. The third way is to invest in a stock or digital currency. The fourth way is to complete survey to tasks online. The fifth way is to become an influencer. Now, let me save you time. The best way to make money online is selling digital products. The profit margin is huge because you only create a product once and you can sell it over and over again. In addition to creating digital products, it is free, and as you can see, even ChatGPT tells you that one of the best ways to make money online is to sell digital products such as ebooks, of course. So right now we're going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to create an ebook, and in just a minute I'm going to show you exactly how you can monetize your ebook. You only have to create it once, and then you can sell it again and again to earn passive income. Now let me show you how to use ChatGPT to write an amazing ebook in just a few minutes. Now, before you start writing your first ebook, you should have an idea for it. So what ebook should you create with ChatGPT? Well, first of all, if you want to make money online ebooks, you have to sell what people want to buy. So you want to find out what are the popular categories of notification ebooks. And it's very easy to understand just as ChatGPT. So I just type something like this. What are the popular categories for notification ebooks? Even if you have no idea what kind of ebook you want to create and sell, you can use ChatGPT to help you do your research. When you ask ChatGPT what are the popular categories of notification ebooks, you want to know what is popular and in demand so that you can create ebooks to meet that demand. You don't want to make a book that no one wants to buy. That's a waste of time, right? So here you can see we have all these great ideas like autobiographies and memories. Another popular category is business and finance, and there's a history of self-help and personal development and all these other stuff. If you want to get more ideas, you can just tell ChatGPT and they will suggest more. For example, you can say to suggest 5 more popular categories. If you think that these ideas are not enough, tell ChatGPT to keep suggestion more. So now we have new ideas such as education and reference of nature and environment, art and photography and etc. These are all great ideas. So in this example, let's say we're going into business and finance, which is kind of interesting, but it's also a very broad category. If we want to get better ideas for a notification ebooks, we can ask ChatGPT to suggest subtopics. We don't want to write a general ebook about businesses and finance. It's too broad and not specific enough. It will be very hard to sell. So let's ask ChatGPT to give it to us. We could write something like, what are the subcategories of the financial business category? When we can wait for ChatGPT to tell us some of the popular subtopics, and that would give us much better ideas for an ebooks, therefore in businesses and finance. We have marketing and sales, economy and financial markets, management and leadership, entrepreneurship and small businesses, finance and personal investment, real estate and IT. You can just choose whichever is more interesting to you. For example, suppose we process with entrepreneurship and a small business. Now we are ready to write the ebook. First of all, let ChatGPT write for us. I'm just writing something like an outline for an ebook about entrepreneurship and small businesses. ChatGPT will schedule the book for you and give you a table of contents with all the different chapters in order. We will introduce the first chapter on the definition and overview of entrepreneurship and everything else. Now all you want to do is copy the outline in ChatGPT for your book and paste it into Google Docs. Currently, we have the plan of the whole book. Now we want ChatGPT is starting writing the ebook for us. We will start with the first chapter, which will be the definition and overview of entrepreneurship. All we have to do is copy the chapter name and paste it into the ChatGPT. Then when we ask what type to write the first chapter for our ebooks, it does, and all you have to do is select the word, copy and paste it back into Google Docs. Now we have to our first season for the book. Then we just go on the next chapter. So I go to the name of the next chapter. I'll copy it and come back here to ChatGPT. I tell ChatGPT to write this chapter. This will be season number 2. ChatGPT will write the season for us. After finishing the work, just like before, we select it, copy it, and go to Google Docs to paste it. We just continue this process. Get the ChatGPT to copy chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, and etc. and pasting on the go. In just a few minutes, we will write your entire ebooks for us. And anyway, if you feel that a chapter is too short and you want ChatGPT to write more, you can just say, please write more. ChatGPT continue to add more paragraphs to the chapters. You can use one type to create your first ebook in just a few minutes. Then all you have to do is put it up for download and save. For this, you convert your file into a PDF document. There are many platforms for selling files. Gumroad.com. It is only one of them. The platform is available worldwide. Now, as you can see here, you can use this platform to sell ebooks in PDF format or other types of digital products if you want. The good thing about this platform is that it is free. Thank you for being with today's training. If you are interested in the training, please like and subscribe to our channel and put the bell button on it. Share your thoughts with me in the comments. Good luck. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.